Hey everyone, welcome back to our SQL tips and tricks series. Today we are diving into a classic SQL debate, that is CTE, views and subqueries. It's like the Bollywood love triangle of SQL. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible and figure out which one to use, or if we should just make them all fight it out. Alright, let's break down our contestants for today. CTE. So the common table expressions are like those temporary help you get when you are preparing for a big family gathering. They exist only for the duration of that one meal, helping you get everything organized and sorted. Imagine they are like your cousin who helps you with all the preparation or cooking preparation when you are hosting a Diwali at home or any party. So now the next contestant. Views are like your favorite restaurant's menu that has all the dishes you love. They store the result of a query and you can access them anytime you want, just like ordering your favorite biryani from that place. It's always there for you, ready to serve up those results without having to cook from scratch every time. So moving to the next contestant, that is the subqueries. So the subqueries are like those nosy Indian aunties who want to know everything happening in the neighborhood. They dig into your queries to find specific details. They are great for quick, one-off tasks, but if you're not careful, your entire query can start looking like a messy pile of gossip. Let's use a real-world example to understand when to use uh, these queries. Imagine you are analyzing a sales database and you want to find out which product are performing the best across different regions. You need a report showing the top products in each region and the total sales. Using a CTE, we can do that. If you need to calculate total sales and then find the top products, a CTE can break into manageable steps. It's like having a helper who writes down each steps of your recipes so you don't forget anything. So let me write the query. Yeah, we got our answer. Here, the cell summary is a common table expression that helps you organize the data into a summary before applying the final filter. Here is our filter that we want the total sales greater than 10,000. So this is how common table expression works. Now let's move to the view part. If you need to rescue this summary across different reports, creating a view might be better. It's like having a permanent cheat sheet for your exam. So let's write a query for view. Let me run it. So here the cell summary view got created. So let's use the view. So in this query, I have used the cell summary view for the same question that I want to filter out the total sales above 10,000. So here the view worked. So now using a subquery. If you just need a quick check in a single query, a subquery might do the trick. It's like quick checking your phone instead of opening the entire laptop. So let's have the query. So this is the query for subquery. Here also I have filtered the total sales above 10,000. Here the subquery calculate the total on the fly and you filter the result immediately. Let's run it. So we got the same result. So let's recap. Using common table expression when you need to simplify complex queries or break them into relatable chunks. They're fantastic for step-by-step processes. Now using the views. when you need to rescue a query multiple times across different parts of your application or reports. They're like your go-to tools that you keep in your toolbox. Now, using Subquery for quick one-up calculation or filters within a single query. They're great for those quick fixes when you don't want to set up anything permanent. Remember, each has its own strength. It's not about which one is the best, but which one fits your need perfectly. So here is a challenge for you. Pick a scenario from your own data and decide whether a city, a view, or a subquery would be best fit. Drop your answer in the comments. I would love to see your SQL skills in action. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next tip. Until then, keep querying and stay curious. Thank you.